Today I'd like to share with you an amazing product called Silkies, brought to you by the Pepperell Braiding Company, the makers of Stretch Magic. Silkies are silicone stretchy cords that are available in two jewelry options, necklaces in multicolors and in black, and bracelets available in multicolors and black. Both the Silky necklaces and bracelets are non-toxic, lead-free, nickel-free, and affordably priced. Now here's a really cool thing if you're going on a trip. The Silky necklace or bracelets can be interchangeable with various colored beads and or pendants to match your clothes, and then you don't have to carry a big jewelry bag with you on the trip. Another interesting point is that the 16-inch necklaces and 7-inch bracelets can become larger by attaching the two together to get more length. Hello, my name is Betsy Skabinski, owner of Betsy's One-of-a-Kind custom designed costume jewelry. I love making jewelry projects with Silkies because of the uniqueness of the clasp. The necklace and also the bracelet have the same connector clasp. One end is inserted into the other, which results into a secure clasp. This awesome product is great for kids as well as adults because of the versatility and easy to close clasp. Silkies are perfect for mother-daughter projects, Brownie Girl Scout badges, camp projects, even for adults who have trouble opening and securing a lobster or a toggle clasp. Silky projects are endless. And here's a small sampling of my favorite creations. My favorite use of the Silky is to use an orphan earring. An orphan earring is when you have lost one earring and have just one, thus an orphan. All of us who have pierced ears have lost a pierced earring from time to time, but for some strange reason, we don't want to throw it away. So we have an orphan. It's possible to make a simple pendant with a pierced earring. Merely have the orphan earring with the post sticking out and turn the post stud in, making a circle. Then use a jump ring and attach it to the post. Then attach the Silky, close the hole of the jump ring, and you have the completed orphan earring on the pendant. This would be a fun project for bridesmaids to create together prior to the wedding. Then all the girls could wear their converted pierced earring pendant on the Silky to the rehearsal dinner. The Silky necklace can decorate the outside of a mirror candle holder by doubling the silicone cord and putting a pretty pendant in the middle. First, double the Silky, fit it over the candle, and place it on a tall candlestick, which makes a very bold statement. Sometimes when you give a book as a gift, it's nice to include a bookmark, and it's twice as nice when you have designed it yourself. This Silky necklace has been transformed into a pendant bookmark by the addition of a grouping of feathers with Swarovski crystals and a peace sign placed over the Silky necklace. The Silky necklace can also be inserted into the middle binder of the book with the feathers hanging over the top, and then the book is closed. Another use is making the Silky necklace into a hair scrunchie. Double the cord with a decorative object in the middle, place into the ponytail, then double the Silky cord 2 more times, and then pull to secure. The easiest use for a Silky is to string on beads that have fairly large holes that would fit through the smaller end of the cord. Also, try to select beads that are fairly lightweight. You can even place one very bold bead on a Silky necklace for a dramatic look. Another idea is to use the Silky as an adornment for a scented stick diffuser. I found a beautiful pendant where the pin backing was broken, but it happened to have a pendant hook on the back of the pin, and it was just too beautiful to throw away, so I doubled a Silky necklace and threaded on the awesome pendant. I love to make name bracelets to give as gifts by inserting silver beads along with the alphabet letters. A pretty bracelet can be made in a matter of minutes. Actually, the selection of the beads takes longer than the making of the bracelet. So I also like to attach a small charm to one end, such as this butterfly. It's so fun to make a bracelet that reflects your interests, like music, dance, animals, for example. If your interest is in ballet, how perfect to find ballet-related charms with spacers to create a lovely bracelet. Another fun project is to make a matching bracelet necklace combination. Silky necklace and bracelets are popular for their ease of use, secure clasp closure, durability, and the Silky itself can be used over and over by merely slipping off the pendants, beads, etc. Silkies can be found in craft and hobby stores everywhere. And remember, every jewelry concept starts with a great cord.